If Google Drive is showing a 502 error, don't panic. In most cases, this is a temporary issue and it can be fixed in just a few quick steps. In this video, I'll walk you through the best ways to troubleshoot the Google Drive error 502, starting with the simplest fix and moving into a few more reliable solutions. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, refresh the page. On Windows, press Ctrl and R together or use the reload button in your browser. Sometimes a 502 error happens because the connection to Google Drive was interrupted for a moment, and a simple refresh is enough to bring it back. If that doesn't work, the next step is to wait a few minutes and try again later. Close the tab, give it a short break, and reopen Google Drive after a few minutes. A 502 error is often a server-side problem, which means the issue may not be on your device at all. If Google's servers are temporarily overloaded, the error can disappear on its own once the system stabilizes. If you're still seeing the problem, clear your browser cache. In Google Chrome, open Settings, then go to Privacy and Security, and click Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to clear cookies and cached images and files. Old or corrupted cache data can sometimes interfere with Google Drive loading correctly, so this step helps your browser start fresh. After clearing the data, restart your browser and try Google Drive again. Another useful fix is to open Google Drive in Incognito Mode. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N together to open a private window, then go back to Google Drive and test it there. Incognito Mode disables most extensions and uses a clean session, so if the 502 error is being caused by a browser extension or a bad sign-in session, this method can help you get around it quickly. If the issue still continues, try another network. You can restart your router or switch to a mobile hotspot to see if the error is related to your current connection. Sometimes network routing problems can trigger 502 errors, especially if the request to Google Drive is getting blocked or interrupted somewhere along the way. Testing a different connection is a smart way to confirm whether your internet is part of the issue. Next, sign out of your Google account and sign back in again. This refreshes your Google session and can fix account-related glitches that may be stopping Drive from loading properly. After signing back in, open Google Drive again and see if the error is gone. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the problem right away. If not, repeat the process starting with refresh, cache clearing, and incognito mode, since those are the most common fixes for a Google Drive 502 error. The key is to work through the troubleshooting steps one by one so you can identify whether the issue is temporary, browser-related, or network-related. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials and fast fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.